Hi, my name is Lori Gilbert. I'm an Army veteran and I'm a RecruitMilitary veteran hiring advisor. Sourcing qualified talent can be a tough job, but with VetExpress, sourcing veteran talent just got easier. It starts with a phone call. Just answer a few questions to help us understand the skills and qualifications you're looking for. As your advisor, I will draw upon my expert knowledge of military skill sets to search our veteran database, to identify a pool of qualified candidates that meet your hiring criteria. You'll receive an email with links to the profiles and resumes of qualified candidates. No need to log into the job board. Simply click the links to view candidate profiles. Better yet, you'll be notified of new qualified candidates as they register on our job board. It's that easy.